Assalamu alaikum, sisters and brothers. Welcome to the Worldwide Revolution. We are in the Technical University of Delft and the Albert Einstein room, and the first topic is nature. Nature. There are 9 points I want to explain to you how nature is working. And the first point is nature only uses energy it needs. The second point is nature builds forms to function. All right. The third point is nature recycles everything. The fourth point is nature rewards cooperation. The fifth point is nature banks on diversity. And the sixth point is nature demands local expertise. The next point is nature curbs excess from within. The next point is nature taps the power of limits. And the last point is, and this is the main concept of the nature, how it works. Nature runs on sunlight. So, that's all. I hope you enjoy it. And these are 9 points how nature is working. And we think it's very important if we want to do something with the nature. If you are involved in anything has to do with the nature, you get to know how it works. So this is the first lesson of a list of lessons in the future, and these are all topics about how also worldwide revolution is working. So my intention is transporting knowledge to the people that are able to communicate and to understand the things and transport the knowledge to the next without me as a speaker or a mentor or a teacher. The things I try to teach are basic knowledge about our life and about the life of one individual, same as the life of the people at all, and the life of human being. So welcome also to our next topics. Peace and out.